National BLS is the first national buyer listing service aiming to balance the seller-focused real estate market. Rather than listing properties for sale, we list pre-approved home buyers. It's real estate in reverse. So why does this work? When there are more buyers than sellers, sellers have the negotiating power and buyers come to them. But that all changes when it's a buyer's market and there are more sellers than buyers. For the first time ever, National BLS is structuring and illuminating the buy side of the real estate market so deals can get moving again. By using the buyer listing service, sellers can get proactive and directly contact pre-approved, motivated home buyers. So how do home buyers use the buyer listing service? It's simple. Buyers register for free, add their property requirements, and then broadcast those requirements to the web. Buyers can also get authenticated through their agent to boost their attractiveness to sellers. Buyers on National BLS remain anonymous, but their budget and home requirements are searchable on the site. Sellers can search for these pre-approved buyers and match the buyers to the home they're selling. The key to the buyer listing service is that when a seller finds a match, the seller can send a private message to the buyer detailing what they would be willing to sell their home for. The offer is technically non-binding, but should be honored and is meant to be a starting point for negotiations. Unlike many new real estate sites, National BLS does not affect the final offer price or commission structure. Buyers and sellers should always get the assistance of a real estate agent to help them close the transaction. What about real estate agents? National BLS helps agents manage their clients and close more transactions. Agents on National BLS can see all communication to and from their buyers and sellers by linking to their accounts. We are agent-friendly and always promote the use of registered agents in such an important transaction. Another great feature of National BLS is that we help agents find new clients. Once registered on the site, agents are immediately searchable to buyers and sellers. So, who benefits? Quite simply, everyone. Buyers find great deals from motivated sellers, whether they're banks, builders, or the public. In addition, they can also discover the vast number of homes for sale that are not yet listed on the market. With National BLS, sellers can get proactive and get ahead of the market to sell their home quickly. Finally, agents can use National BLS as an additional resource to help their buyers and sellers close transactions. National BLS presents a win-win-win for buyers, sellers, and agents. Join the thousands of people already having success in this tough market with reverse offers. What's to lose? Join us and help get this market moving.